So in one, two, three. What is that? Ay! Oh my god. Good day, everyone. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're going to find the heart of a banana tree. So come on, let's go. So hahanapin natin ngayon yung puso ng sakit. So dito tayo. Ay! 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 Ano ba yun? That was so very dangerous. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, kahit saan ka mapalingan, marami mo yung Nasaan na ba? Oh my God. Nasaan na ba sila? Magpakita kayo sa amin ngayon. Luring dito. Oh my God, feeling ko parang nawawala na tayo. Nasaan na ba? Ang daming puno pero wala namang puso. So kanina po kami ikot ng ikot, wala po kami nakikita. Oh my God, that's why. Kung mapapansin nyo, puro puno ng saging pero kunti lang yung oh my God, mapuro. Paano nga ba siya makukuha? So we have to target the weakest part of the banana heart. This is the banana heart. Oh my God. One. Okay. We have to full force to pull this part. 1, 2, 3, go. Ah! Oh my God. At ang hirap. So, wala mo po ulit bro. Makuri talaga siya. Promise. Ang hirap talaga. Feeling ko yung luk-luk yung problema. So at this time, kukuha po tayo ng duk-duk. We have to. Ito yung gagamitin natin para makakuha ng puso ng saging. So I think this could be enough. Sapat na to para maabot yung mga asin. So let's go! Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot. Oh my God, after how many years, nakakita na rin kami ng isang puno ng saging. So we have to make sure that ang kawayan na to ay nakatutok talaga sa kanyang, nakatutok talaga ng mabuti para in order to push. So, 1, 2, 3, push! Oh my God! Achieve na achieve! Oh my God! Ito po yung puso ng saging. Buti pa yung saging may puso. Perfect! 1, 2, 3, pull! Oh my God! We got another one. Come here. This one. So for now, we got to heart of a banana tree. Perfect. Woo! So yung target po namin ngayon is tatlong peraso ng puso ng saging. So, meron na kaming dalawa, isa na lang. So, hanapin natin yung isa. So, ito na po yung panghuling puso namin ngayon. So, in 1, 2, 3, pull. Pull. Yay! Oh my God! Nasaan na siya? Halika. Oh my God! Chanon! Push. Push. Perfect! Woo! So, narito na po yung tatlong puso namin. Mission accomplished. Hello everyone! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you. So ayun na nga guys. Naabutan na po kami ng ulan. So narito na.
Hindi pati tuan kuan.
Ay, oh. So at this time, uuwi na po kami ngayon sa bahay namin. So thank you so much guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.